listings is up 3.6%. Sold listings are up 8.3%. And home prices rose 16.7% from last year this time. It's Friday, December 15th, 2023. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday, so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. That activity comparison year over year indicates the real estate market is not showing a decline in prices as buyer activity remains slow in most areas. There are 1,410 homes for sale on the shore, reflecting another slight drop. 52 properties are coming soon for sale, another drop week over week. 153 came to the market since last week, which is a drop from last report. 56 went under contract, another fall from last week. 61 moved to pending, also falling from last report. 100 sold at 97.8% list to sold ratio, and days before contract rose to 21 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Oxford for $2,450,505. There are 127 rentals available for lease on the shore, rising to $2,200 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, December 15th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week.